Hi, thanks so much for joining us again. I'm Tommy, and I'm the writer of the book The Explorational Journeys and the Self Help Guide Part 1. We're still going with The Courage is Letting Go of Fear, and we're learning about letting go of fear. So, with activity 6, it is the What If Flip. So, with the goal is turn your fear-based thinking into positive possibilities. Steps. Write down a fear-based what-if statement. For example, what if I fail? Step 2. Flip it into a positive what if. For example, what if I succeed? Step 3. Reflect on how focusing on positive outcomes changes your outlook. Reflection. How does flipping your what if statement help you feel more empowered? So yes, see what if and statements you can flip throughout the coming weeks, and it'll be really great to hear from you of what they were. So don't forget to click like and subscribe at the bottom as per usual. So I hope to hear from you soon. Bye.